You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to pronounce these French phrase of, resorts and accommodations. Let's say how you say it in France. It's an hotel brand, essentially. Relais et Chateaux is how it's said in French. Relais et Chateaux. So in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, relais, yes, the S is silent, so not relais, relais and chateau. Now that's the plural of chateau. It has an X, but the X is silent in French because it's French, and often the last letters, the S's or the X's for the plural in French aren't pronounced. So relais and chateau. Relais and chateau, or in French, relais et chateaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.